so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence.
Hi Papa, ayan, happy 20 month of love and kindness and all. Sana ma-appreciate mo itong ginawa ko. I know the last months marami tayong mga naging problems, marami tayong tampuhan na almost puro galit, sumbatan and all. I just want you to know na na-appreciate ko lahat ng mga ginagawa mo at mahal na mahal kita, and you know how much I loved you. And I was so very sorry kung minsan may mga away tayo na alam mo na sobrang hard, pero gusto kong malaman mo na mahal kita, and I do really love you. Appreciate all the things na ginawa mo para sa akin. I love you so much, Papa, and thank you sa lahat ng effort mo. Mahal kita. You are my first and last. Yun lang yung maipapangako ko sa'yo. Kaya sana ma-appreciate mo ito. Mahal kita. Sorry sa lahat ng mga galit, sumbat. I love you, Papa.